Meet the Winton TH25 triple hit end former. Built for precision, speed, and unmatched part quality. Featuring a precision flag stock with micro adjustments, the TH25 makes fine-tuning fast and accurate. With on-the-fly adjustments through the HNI and continuous part counting, you'll keep production running smoothly. Its easy-to-use keypad and display simplify setup, while the triple hit end forming process delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Achieve repeatability within plus or minus 0.001 inches. Key benefits include lot-to-part and lot-to-lot consistency, helping you deliver quality parts faster. Leave us a comment below if you want to see more tube fabrication videos.